Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to master 150 essential English sentences that will help you communicate confidently at the police station. These practical questions and answers will prepare you for real-life situations and help you speak English with confidence. Let us get started. Where are you going now?
I am going to the police station.
Why are you going to the police station?
I need to report a stolen wallet.
What happened?
Someone stole my wallet.
When did it happen?
It happened about 1 hour ago.
Where did it happen?
It happened near the train station.
Are you hurt?
No, I am not hurt.
Are you safe now?
Yes, I am safe now.
Do you need any medical help?
No, I do not need medical help.
Is this your first time at a police station?
Yes, it is.
Are you feeling nervous?
Yes, I am a little nervous.
Can I help you?
Yes, please.
What seems to be the problem?
My wallet was stolen.
What did your wallet look like?
It was a black leather wallet.
What was inside your wallet?
My passport, bank cards, and some cash.
Did you lose your passport too?
Yes, my passport was inside my wallet.
Do you know who took it?
No, I do not.
Did you see the thief?
No, I did not see anyone.
Did anyone help you?
Yes, a kind woman helped me.
Did you call the police?
No, I came here directly.
Do you want to file a police report?
Yes, I do.
What is your full name?
My name is Alex Smith.
Can you spell your last name?
Yes, Smith.
What is your date of birth?
I was born on May 12th, 1980.
What is your nationality?
I am Canadian.
Where are you staying?
I am staying at the Central Hotel.
What is your hotel address?
It is 25 King Street.
Can we contact your hotel?
Yes, of course.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is in my lost wallet.
Do you have another phone?
Yes, I have my mobile phone.
Can you give us your email address?
Yes, it is alex@example.com.
When did you notice your wallet was missing?
I noticed it after I left the cafe.
Where did you last use your wallet?
I used it at a coffee shop.
Did you pay with cash or a card?
I paid with my bank card.
Have you canceled your bank cards?
Not yet, but I will do it soon.
Do you need to contact your bank?
Yes, I do.
How much cash was in your wallet?
About $100.
Were there any important documents?
Yes, my passport and my driver's license.
Did your wallet contain any credit cards?
Yes, it had 2 credit cards.
Did your wallet contain your hotel key?
No, my hotel key was in my pocket.
Have you searched your bag carefully?
Yes, I searched everything.
Are you sure your wallet was stolen?
Yes, I am sure.
Did anyone bump into you?
Yes, someone bumped into me on the sidewalk.
Did anything seem unusual?
Yes, a man was acting strangely.
Can you describe him?
He was tall and wearing a blue jacket.
How old did he look?
He looked about 30 years old.
What color was his hair?
He had short black hair.
Was he wearing glasses?
No, he was not.
Did he say anything to you?
No, he walked away quickly.
Can you recognize him again?
Yes, I think I can.
Would you like to make an official report?
Yes, I would like to make an official report.
Can you tell me exactly what happened?
Yes, I was walking back to my hotel when I noticed my wallet was missing.
What time did the incident happen?
It happened around 3 o'clock this afternoon.
What were you doing before it happened?
I was shopping at a local market.
Were there many people around?
Yes, the street was very crowded.
Did anyone touch your bag?
I think someone touched my backpack.
Was your backpack open?
Yes, the zipper was partly open.
Did you hear anything unusual?
No, everything seemed normal.
Have you checked all your pockets?
Yes, I checked them several times.
Have you called your family?
Yes, I told them what happened.
Are they worried about you?
Yes, they are worried.
Have you contacted your embassy?
No, not yet.
Do you need your passport urgently?
Yes, I need it for my flight.
When is your flight home?
My flight is next Monday.
Do you have a copy of your passport?
Yes, I have a digital copy.
Can you show us the copy?
Yes, it is on my phone.
Have you blocked your bank cards?
Yes, I blocked them a few minutes ago.
Did you lose any debit cards?
Yes, I lost one debit card.
Did you lose any credit cards?
Yes, I lost two credit cards.
Did you lose your driver's license?
Yes, it was inside my wallet.
Did you lose any important keys?
No, my keys are safe.
Were there any valuable items in your wallet?
Yes, there was some cash in my cards.
Approximately how much cash did you lose?
I lost about $100.
Was your wallet a gift?
Yes, it was a gift from my father.
Can you describe your wallet again?
It is black and made of leather.
Does it have any special marks?
Yes, it has my initials inside.
What are your initials?
My initials are AS.
Did anyone return your wallet?
No, nobody has returned it.
Have you checked with the Lost and Found office?
Yes, but they did not find it.
Did you report it to airport security?
No, it happened outside the airport.
Did anyone witness the incident?
Yes, one person saw what happened.
Did the witness speak to you?
Yes, he told me to come here.
Do you know the witness's name?
No, I do not.
Can you remember what he looked like?
Yes, he was wearing a green shirt.
Do you think the thief was working alone?
I am not sure.
Did the thief run away?
Yes, he disappeared quickly.
Which direction did he go?
He ran toward the city park.
Did you try to follow him?
No, I did not.
Why did you not follow him?
I was afraid.
Did you call for help?
Yes, but nobody stopped him.
Did you lose your mobile phone?
No, I still have my phone.
Can you receive phone calls?
Yes, I can.
Can we contact you if we find your wallet?
Yes, please call me immediately.
Are you staying in this city for several days?
Yes, I will stay for one more week.
Do you need a copy of the police report?
Yes, I do.
Why do you need the report?
I need it for my insurance company.
Will your insurance cover the loss?
Yes, I believe it will.
Can you sign this report?
Yes, I can.
Is all the information correct?
Yes, everything is correct.
Would you like another copy?
Yes, please.
Is there anything else you would like to report?
No, that is everything.
What happens next?
The police will begin their investigation.
Will you contact me if you find my wallet?
Yes, we will contact you immediately.
How long will the investigation take?
It may take several days.
Is there anything else I should do?
Yes, you should contact your embassy.
Where is the nearest embassy?
It is about 15 minutes from here.
Do I need an appointment?
Yes, it is better to make an appointment.
Can I travel without my passport?
No, you will need a replacement passport.
What documents do I need?
You need a copy of your passport and this police report.
Can I get a temporary passport?
Yes, your embassy can help you.
How long will it take to get a new passport?
It usually takes a few days.
Will I miss my flight home?
We hope you will not.
Can I change my flight if necessary?
Yes, you can contact your airline.
Should I inform my hotel?
Yes, you should let them know.
Can my hotel help me?
Yes, they may be able to assist you.
Should I change my passwords?
Yes, that is a good idea.
Should I monitor my bank account?
Yes, check it regularly.
Is my personal information safe?
You should be careful and report any suspicious activity.
Can someone use my bank cards?
Not if they have already been blocked.
What if someone finds my wallet?
They may return it to the police station.
Will you keep it here?
Yes, we will keep it safely.
How can I check for updates?
You can call us or visit the station.
Do you have a case number?
Yes, here is your case number.
Should I keep this case number?
Yes, keep it in a safe place.
Can I report more information later?
Yes, you can contact us anytime.
What if I remember something important?
Please let us know as soon as possible.
Can I leave the city now?
Yes, unless we need more information.
Will you investigate the area?
Yes, officers will check nearby cameras.
Are there security cameras nearby?
Yes, there are several cameras.
Will the cameras help?
They may help identify the suspect.
Have similar cases happened before?
Yes, there have been a few.
Is this area usually safe?
Yes, but visitors should always stay alert.
What should I do in the future?
Keep your valuables in a secure place.
Should I carry less cash?
Yes, that is a good idea.
Should I use a money belt?
Yes, many travelers use one.
Is it safer to use a credit card?
Yes, in many situations it is.
Should I keep copies of my documents?
Yes, always keep digital and paper copies.
Can I store copies on my phone?
Yes, that is very helpful.
What have you learned from this experience?
I have learned to be more careful.
Will you be more prepared next time?
Yes, I definitely will.
Do you feel better now?
Yes, I feel much calmer.
Are you thankful for the officer's help?
Yes, I really appreciate the help.
Did the officer answer all your questions?
Yes, very clearly.
Was everyone kind to you?
Yes, everyone was very kind.
Are you ready to visit the embassy?
Yes, I am ready.
Do you know what to do next?
Yes, I have a clear plan now.
Will everything be all right?
Yes, I believe everything will be fine.
Can you continue your trip?
Yes, I will continue my trip.
Are you feeling more confident now?
Yes, I feel much more confident.
Are you ready for your next adventure?
Yes, I am ready for whatever comes next.
What will happen in the next episode?
I will visit the embassy and apply for a new passport.
Great job! You have just completed today's lesson. Keep practicing these sentences every day to improve your English speaking, listening, pronunciation, and confidence. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video, share it with a friend who is learning English, and subscribe to English Mastery Guide for more practical English lessons. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new lesson. Thank you for watching, keep practicing, and I will see you in the next lesson.